Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I have the unboxing for your creative studio. This is the April box, and it arrived, of course, a little late, but it arrived, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm also going to show you quick projects that I made with some of the items as well. And stay tuned to the end because I have something fun that I'll be sharing with you as well. So you can see here there's some really mini alphabet stamps, which I think are such a great idea because there's like 5 different types of fonts in them, which I don't usually get those, so that's really amazing. You saw there were some beautiful stickers. I'll be using those in some of my project. These awesome vellum pieces, which are always nice to add to your journals or your craft projects. The little paper pad that I showed as well is really adorable because you can always use those as embellishments on your pages or include them, of course, in any of your projects. And I like that they're tearable, so you can tear, both pieces apart or keep them together. This is your creative studio exclusive item. So I love that Amanda kind of has her own designs in some of these items as well now, and it's just great. If you are not familiar with these stationery boxes, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to check it out. I love this large typewriter stamp. I think it will be very useful in projects. And there's just so much variety that she usually includes in these boxes, and I really enjoy going through them, and it just always feels like a little gift coming in the mail that you're not sure what's included, but it's always something very useful. So in this little envelope, again exclusive to your creative studio, she has included washi tape with the typewriters on it as well. So this is always really nice to get. I just love washi tape, and look at the variety of the differences in the typewriters that are in here. So I hope you're all doing well, my friends. I have been very busy, and I've got so many videos that I'm hoping to upload very soon to show you. This one here, I think is one of those business card holders. It's a wooden little typewriter, which is really adorable. If you are a person that enjoys anything that is a typewriter theme, I think this would be so perfect to have. So it's super cute. And the next thing I'm seeing here, I think this is a stamp. And like I said, I'm going to show you some things that I've done with some of the pieces, and also I will be stamping these out to show you what they look like, because I always like to see what a stamp kind of turns out to be like before I use it up. So it's always good to do that. So again, exclusive items that she includes. There's some really nice collaged paper pieces here. I don't think these are sticker papers, but I'm not sure. Sometimes they are, and sometimes they're just paper. And then these vellum ones look really nice as well. I'm just trying to read if she included the list of what's in here this time. Sometimes she puts the list of all the items, and so you know if you have sticker paper or not. This here, I believe, are stickers, and it's book themed. So you can use the different labels and items in here as well. I really enjoy going through the boxes and getting inspired, sometimes just by the theme, the colors, and then even sometimes 1 or 2 pieces will kind of give me ideas on things to do. I wouldn't have the time to personally buy every single item here separately and kind of check it out myself, so it's kind of nice that she bundles everything together, already has a theme, and you can kind of use everything that she has sent in a project, or like I said, just individually share them with friends. There's lots of items that you can share here as well. The next thing I'm going to show you is what's in this little envelope box. I really like this design of this box, and it's such a really cute way to package items. I'm really loving even the color and the design. So these are really long little tags or just little, you know, papers. And some of them do have the tearable parts that you can tear from the bottom or the top. So the Disney part here at the bottom, you can take right off. The top here, the labels, you can take those right off if you wanted to. So really you do get many pieces from this little box because they can all be used in many, many ways. So I'm already getting some ideas, of course, on what else I might want to do with some of them. I am going to show you a project that I've been working on as well with some of the pieces, and then something that I sent in a swap for Junk Journals Canada. We did that recently and it was really fun, and it really has inspired what I've been working with. I also thought I would show you the stickers and what was in the pack because it's kind of nice to see what they look like. So you've got a variety of stickers that have some, you know, kind of scripted items on them. You have some ladies and lots of florals, which are always very useful in projects, these little clocks. So just a nice variety that's included in the sticker pack. All right, let me show you the rest. Okay, so I thought I would show you how some of the items have printed out or stamped out, I should say. So I used the this large stamp, and this is what it looks like. I've tried it a few times, and you know, this time here it looks like you were able to see most of like the key things there, and then this one didn't stamp out too well. So I guess it really depends on how much ink is in the center and how evenly you add it, but it's just a really nice image that comes out. The next one is, where did I put it now? This one here. And oh my gosh, I already like all the detail on it, but that's how it's printed out. So it'd be nice to just include it, you know, so you could add it in a collage or something. And the other thing I was working on, and for some reason, I wanted to say this, for some reason, when I'm working on something and I share it with you, sometimes it takes me a while to share it with you because I'm actually working on it. And then I realized, well, I don't have to show you the completely finished product every single time, or else I won't be able to have, you know, many videos to show you because I'm always working on something. So for the items, some of the items in the box, I thought I would make what I've recently discovered is called pocket letters. And I'm loving them so much. Recently, we did a swap in the Junk Journals Canada group. And I'm just loving, you know, the idea of making something tiny. As you all know, I love tiny things, working on tiny, you know, journals and tiny ephemera. And so for this particular one, the majority of the background pieces, I used the Digital Collage Club new printables, and I am in love with them. They have this gorgeous kind of scripted, background of different items. She's added so many to them. So I've cut them down to the size of this. And so I started working on it. And so let me just, you know, go from little section for now. So the first one here, I added some of the stickers, and they're in like a little, just like I would make in a journal, right? They're in a little pocket. I thought that was super adorable. So the person that gets this could take everything out and use it. So I've also added some of the items that are in my own mini printables kit. I will link that below. I've just been cutting it up to use in the mini here because it's the size really is like 3.5 by 2.5, and so it's like ATC cards, right? Like the playing cards. And so these are, you know, cut them up, use them up. I've got some of my words as well in the kits. And so I've added Happy Mail to this one in the post box. And then this little piece here. And again, if I pull this out, you can take these out. Isn't that adorable? So that's again from using some of the pieces that came in in the recent subscription box, and I made the little envelope, so I thought that was adorable. This one here is my Polaroid, so from my Polaroid printable as well, which is perfect. It just fits perfectly in the spot. This one here, again, I just made another little pocket and stuck this one. It's open on the side, so I can stick more things there. So it's one of the stickers, again, that came in the kit. So, you know, for sharing with friends and stuff, I think it's just nice to come up with different ways to do it. And I have an entire playlist on my channel with snail mail ideas or happy mail things. And I think I'm definitely adding this one to it. So some of the pieces here I haven't quite finished. I added some of the washi tape to this side, and then I did cut up one of the where did I put it again? You saw them, the Your Creative Studio typewriters, and I really just cut one out so that the person that gets this can use it, and I just added it to the bottom. This whole time I realize, yes, I have been in frame. Okay, so I'm loving this. I haven't quite finished. I will definitely continue and either film it or just show you the finished product. But, you know, you can see you can fit so many tiny things in the, you know, the little pockets and just kind of make it your own in collage. So I'll definitely be working on that a little more. I'm going to also show you some that I finished recently. They've already been sent out in the swap, and they've already been received. So I'm going to show you those, just a video that I quickly filmed. There's I just kind of did it before I sent it off so I could have, like, you know, a memory of what I had sent, because otherwise I forget, right, what I've created and who I've sent things to. So I'll show you that. And I'm still working on many things, so let me know what you think. Do you prefer to see me kind of, you know, the work in progress, or do you just want to see the final products? I think it's nice to show you how I start to put things together, the ideas that I have in putting things together, and then hopefully that will inspire you as well, that, you know, you don't have to finish something right away. You can work on it slowly like I have been. But also just kind of have fun with it. So I hope this gives you some inspiration. Let me know if you've made pocket letters. If you're interested in swapping pocket letters, I'm going to start to do that. So definitely leave a comment below. I'll put everything on my blog, details for swaps and stuff like that. I'm opening them up just for a few swaps because I am definitely very busy with other things. But I thought, since right now I'm inspired by this, I wouldn't mind doing a little swap with some of my subscribers. So if you want to get a little mail from me, let me know, and keep an eye out on my videos coming very soon. I have something awesome coming in June. If you are a subscriber to my channel and you comment on my channel often, you're going to love June. Okay, let me show you some of the pocket letters I sent out. So these primarily I used a lot of background papers from Digital Collage Club. And one I made a little bit kind of more floral and fun, and the other one I made a little bit more vintage. And these are totally my first ones I've ever made. So, you know, it was kind of like a trial and error, and I just really enjoyed working on it. I think the purpose of it for me was just to enjoy the process and see what, you know, what I came up with. And of course I did a little bit of research. I watched a few videos, and I know that this pocket letter was started by Janet Lane, I believe is her name. So anyways, the first one here is the image from DCC. I've got some of my own digitals mixed in as well with some of Digital Collage Clubs, as you see here. This one I did a little collage as well. And again, the center, I've actually written flowers in it because that's what I've included in the back. So as I said, I've mixed a few of my own mini printables in these, as well as a lot of elements from Digital Collage Club. And if you have any questions about something you see, leave a comment below and I'll try and figure out where it was from. So the back of this one, I included some stamped papers, some tags and labels, some sticky notes, again, some additional stickers and labels. I've got some flower die cuts there. I've got some stickers. I've got that whale punch, and that ticket should actually go on the next one over. I actually have some tickets here with different colors and designs. and then a little bit of washi on a playing card. So that was the stuff I started to add to this one. And then again, this one, I did a little bit of just different little collages. The Make Craft, Not War, and those sayings are from DCC. Those are two of my little Polaroids that I got on the left and right side. Again, from DCC, just a little collage from different pieces here and there. And I think it's just a really nice, fun, and quick project. You know, you can work on each individual card as you go, and then just save them to add them to a project that you're going to be sending. So I think it's just so fun. So if you're interested in doing a swap with me, check out my blog. I'll have details there as well. But I'm just going to be doing a quick swap for some of these because I'm really loving making them. So I'll definitely be making a lot more. I hope this inspired you. I hope if you've made some of them, please let me know. I would love to get your take on it. Leave a comment on my blog as well if you'd like to do that. But I did have so much fun. As I said, I'll leave links to everything that you see here in the description box below. Check out Amanda's shop for her subscription boxes. They are amazing. They sell out really quick. And if you haven't seen unboxings for her before, I will leave some of those as well. And here I just want to show you what I love about it is how easy you can just pack these up and send them in the mail. So fun and easy to do. And now you can just decorate your envelope, and it's just a nice little project you can send to a friend. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.